How you doing? Come on in. You can see this is our living room here at the lake house, and today the doors are open. These are glass sliders that go all the way across, and we wanted to bring the lake inside, and you can kind of feel that it indeed is inside, and yet in the winter months we just slide these across and close them up. So what we wanted to do was expand our entertainment space and open it up for opportunities no matter what the weather would be like, and then also give us more room in the house. So if it was just my wife and I here and it was a nice day, we might open it up all the way. If we were dealing with bugs, we might drop the screens here. Depending on how much sun we want, we open the roof. We also made sure that we got plenty of electric out here. And you know, we've used most of it. And then we wanted to construct the outdoor kitchen, because I love to grill, where I could watch the lake, and then also have it here where the little kids can't just inadvertently walk up and get burned. So I've got my cooking area here, and we've kind of found that we can make this a buffet line here, and got refrigerators and a warmer back here. The other things that, for us in Michigan, these heaters, they're dual elements. They work great. They really take the chill off the room. So it is at least a 3-season or maybe 3+ season room that acts like an addition. Also, the ceiling fans with lights give us more options. And then the recessed lighting here in the roof, so we can set almost any kind of mood that we want. We were able to tie all of this into our Crestron home control system, save for the heaters are pulling too much power for that. So you can see over here, this is a little casual seating area. If we're having a few friends over, or if it's just the two of us, we have television there. Then of course we've got it wired for sound, and the stamped concrete is very attractive and very easy to take care of. So we're able to just enjoy the lake, and we move seamlessly from indoor to outdoor. You really don't know where you are, indoor versus outdoor. And of course in the depths of winter, everything drops. It acts like another insulator, and we are in there with our wood burning stove. And come spring, here we are with morning coffee with the heaters on, evening beverage also out here. And when we have our rather large family, we can spread out and nobody feels crowded. Another thing that Skyview did for us was constructing the railings and cleverly using the cable here so that we can continue to see the lake. The design and construction that Skyview did made it like a new house for us, and one that we just really love being at.